Hi, Tita Lisa! Happy birthday po. Now that you have reached this age, I hope you still remember me. What can I say about your birthday? Congratulations for reaching this milestone in your life. I hope you are happy, and I hope you will live longer days. You're very lucky to have many kids. Alam ko pong pinaghirapan ninyong palakihin. Nakukwento sa akin ni Mami yung mga struggles ninyo with your many kids before. And now, I hope your hard work is paying off. You are always the example of Mommy whenever she will tell us about the model of a good mom. And Mommy is really happy to have you around. I hope you will have a good life also for Mommy, because yun nga, sinasabi niya dalawa na lang daw kayo. Marami nang nawala, pero marami rin namang dumagdag. Marami rin kayong apo. And I hope yung mami ko ganun din. But we look forward to seeing you back in the Philippines, hopefully, so that we can bond together. The last memory I've had of you was that Jollibee party with Tita Mila, where Jollibee, the mascot, serenaded you. Laki po ng smile nyo nun. Sana po na-enjoy nyo yung buhay ninyo dyan, and God bless you.